I'm so ready for the Intense 5. Let's go. So no Shensia, no Ding Dong, and no TJ on the Sumfest stage. Bad move or it no matter?
Maya is here shooting a video with Ding Dong. But who tell them to shoot outside Anti-Faye Gate? She went out there with her IG live in full force. It was all good though. She even challenged Ding to a dance-off. I'd pay to see that.
What's going to happen with the appeal verdict for Sean Storm and Vybz Kartel? Attorneys say they expect a response in 2 weeks since the court will be on summer break. Let's see what happens.
He might not be as religious as his mother, as we have seen on his IG posts, but Puppy likes to see his mother happy. So why not take her to see Jesus' tomb in Jerusalem? Oh. I'm sure Miss Rona was like a pleased puss.
Miss Rona don't ramp with her Jesus.
I know.
And finally holding the spot, Bolt defends his coach after other athletes get vocal on social media about the lack of interest the coach showed in their training and well-being.
I've been injured, but I've always believed in the coach, and I know that the coach will always bring me through to another level. So for me personally, I've always respected and believed in what the coach is discipline and what he says and his instructions, because he has taken me to another level.
I'm sure Bolt was in an awkward position doing this, but this is the man that made him who he is. What else was he supposed to do? That's it for the Intense 5 this week. We are looking out for your intense moments, so DM us on IG or Facebook at TVJ